Hello guys, welcome to our channel KS Creations. So today I am going to tell you some of the best mobiles in low budget, that is from 8,000 to under 12,000. These mobiles are very useful for students as we all know that due to COVID-19 pandemic, no schools and colleges are going to be open as soon as now. So all the classes are going to be conducted on online mode. So all of you need mobile and all of you are going to search mobile and going to be confused to which one to buy and which is low and best, that is cheap and best. So I'm going to show you some of the four mobiles which are cheap and best. So let's go into our video. So I have chosen four mobiles. They are Vivo Y12, Samsung Galaxy A10s, Realme C3, Redmi 8A Dual. These are the four mobiles I have chosen. So let's see about the first mobile, that is Vivo Y12. Just see here. In this, all of you have the doubt that if this has a fingerprint or not. Yeah, Vivo Y12 has a fingerprint. See, this is the fingerprint, and it has a face unlock also. The RAM is 3GB. As we know that the price is low, so we have to adjust. The RAM is 3GB and internal memory is 64GB, as we can see here. And card slot, that is memory card. Yes, it has a memory card slot, that is 256GB expandable. We have a 256GB expandable. We also have available this in 4GB 32GB storage. So yes, it is a dual SIM. SIM size is nano. Releasing date is June 5, 2019 released. So I'm going to show you the mobile. See just here. You can see this very nice quality. So I'm going to show you the slim part here. Okay. So let's go into the second mobile, that is Samsung Galaxy A10s. So when we come to this mobile, we have a fingerprint, yes. Do we have face unlock? No, we don't have any face unlock for this Samsung Galaxy A10s. And what about the RAM? It is 3GB RAM. Storage, this has a 32GB storage. Card slot, yeah, it has a memory card slot, yes. Up to 512GB expandable. Dual SIM, yes. SIM size nano SIM. It has been released in August 12, 2019. This is the slimmest phone we have chosen. You can see here the slim part. It's very slim, very good quality also. So let us go to the third mobile, Realme C3, which is 3GB RAM, 32GB internal as usual. As we know that its rate is somewhat less. So RAM is 3GB, storage 32GB, memory card slot, yes, expandable up to 56GB, dual SIM, yes, SIM size nano. Releasing date is in April 2019. You can see the mobile. We have dual camera. See here the slimming part. So at the last I will talk about the cameras of all the mobiles. Okay, now let's go to the last mobile. This is our last mobile. Yeah, it has a face unlock, but it doesn't have a fingerprint unlock. RAM is 3GB, storage is 4GB, card slot, yes, 512GB expandable, dual SIM, yes, SIM size nano. Released on June 12, 2020. This is the latest one. So when we talk about the camera, it has a front camera of 8 megapixels and it has a back camera, dual camera, which is 13 plus 2 megapixels back camera. When we come to Realme, it has a camera quality of 12 plus 2 back camera, and front camera we have 5 megapixels. When we come to Samsung Galaxy, it has a dual camera, that is 13 plus 2 as usual, and front camera is the 8 megapixels. When we come to Vivo Y12, we have a front camera of 8 megapixels, and this is the best one. I'm going to refer you, as this has also a triple camera. This is a quality of 13 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels, and also has a fingerprint and also face unlock, 3GB 64GB. So I will refer you this one. And you all have a doubt how we decided that these are the best mobiles. So I'm going to refer you an app in which you can compare all the rates in different websites, different apps, and you can see in which app it has a low price and you can buy it, and also you can compare which one is best. By that only I have seen all these mobiles and I have told you as the best one is Vivo Y12. So if you like the video, just press the like button and please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos and more useful videos. This is information giving channel, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, bye. I will give the link of the app in description and you can go and install it and you can see it's your benefit. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.